class, this is Latasha.
And Yasmin. And this is our presentation to Ethics on Screen. We chose to do our presentation on a news clip/article. The rules we will be covering are Rules 1.8e, which covers conflict of interest, and Rule 1.1, which covers competence.
So, the ethical problems of Trump's attorney during the 2016 presidential election. Donald Trump's attorney, Michael Cohen, made a payment of $130,000 of hush money to adult film star Stephanie Clifford, aka Stormy Daniels. Cohen paid Stormy Daniels the money out of his own pockets and never received any reimbursement from Trump or anyone else. And in this next slide, we're going to show a clip of the news report regarding this.
Tonight from the president's lawyer, a stunning admission. Michael Cohen acknowledging in a statement that he used his own personal funds to facilitate a payment of $130,000 to adult film star Stormy Daniels, who's reported to have claimed a sexual encounter with Mr. Trump more than a decade ago. Did the president know about the payment? Was it his money? Tonight, the White House isn't saying. Cohen insists neither the Trump Organization nor the Trump campaign was a party to the transaction, and neither reimbursed me for the payment. The statement notably does not address whether Donald Trump, his client, or anybody else made the payment or reimbursed Cohen. Daniels, in recent weeks, publicly coy about it.
Do you have a non-disclosure agreement?
Now unrestrained, at least according to her manager, who tells the Associated Press Daniels believes she's free to tell her story after the president's lawyer told his. Daniels' manager saying the adult film star believes Michael Cohen invalidated their non-disclosure agreement by publicly discussing a secret payment. Cohen's acknowledgement comes after a watchdog group filed a federal election complaint alleging the payment could qualify as an in-kind contribution, violating campaign finance law if it was intended to keep Daniels quiet.
If Michael Cohen paid this settlement to try to keep a story out of the news in the closing days of the election, then it very well could be an illegal campaign contribution, and that perfectly tees up an investigation from either the Federal Election Commission or the Department of Justice.
The White House and Cohen have always denied Mr. Trump had any sexual encounter with Daniels. Tonight, no comment from the First Lady, who spent part of this Valentine's Day visiting sick children. Left unanswered tonight, why pay Stormy Daniels anything? Michael Cohen describes it as an act of loyalty, telling NBC News of those allegations. Just because something isn't true doesn't mean that it can't cause you harm or damage, adding, I will always protect Mr. Trump.
All right. Does this story constitute a violation of the ethical rules? Yes.
Okay, so Michael Cohen violated Rule 1.8, which states that a lawyer shall not provide financial assistance to a client in connection with pending or contemplated litigation. This rule was potentially violated when Cohen paid Stormy Daniels $130,000 to settle. The violation is potential because it was unclear if there would have been further litigation involving the affair between Stormy Daniels and President Trump.
So, Michael Cohen violated 1.1, Rule 1.1 as well, which states that a lawyer shall provide competent representation to a client. Competent representation requires the legal knowledge, skill, thoughtness, and preparation reasonably recession for the representation. Michael Cohen violated 1.1 when he failed to provide Trump with the information that he would be paying off Stormy Daniels the $130,000 because he wasn't providing the proper representation and committed malpractice by withholding information.
The first thing that Michael Cohen could have done differently would be not paying off Stormy Daniels in the first place.
In addition to that, he should have provided his client, Trump, with all the information about what was going on behind the election. All right, guys, this concludes our presentation for our ethical rules, and we thank you all for listening. Bye-bye.